particular integral. Complementary function is basically a function in which we have to plug in the value of 0 to get a value, and particular integral is that integral in which we can put any arbitrary constant to get our desired results. Now to explain this concept, I am going to solve this question: d square y upon dx square minus 5dy upon dx plus 6y is equals to 2 sine 4x. Now for the complementary solution, we can replace dy by dx by d, or we can use any constant, but I'm gonna use d. So this equation becomes d square minus 5d plus 6 is equals to 0, and I'm gonna call this equation 1. To find the roots of this equation, I'm gonna use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By plugging in the values, I find the roots which are 3 and 2. Now these roots are real and distinct. So yc, or the complementary function, will be a e to the power 3x plus b e to the power 2x. Now this equation involves 2 sine 4x. The particular integral for this equation which I am going to solve has to be c cos x plus d sin x. This condition varies from equation to equation. Now for any other question, we can use some other type of particular integrals. For particular integral yp, I'm going to represent particular integral by yp. I'm going to take the first derivative of c cos 4x plus d sin 4x. Yp is equals to minus 4 c sin 4x plus 4d cos 4x. And for the second integral, d square y upon dx square will be minus 16 cos 4x minus 16 d sin 4x. I'm going to plug these values in the equation 1, which is minus 16. This value is actually d square, and this value is actually d. So I simply replace d by this and this. Now I'll rearrange the functions of cos and sine, which can be seen in this part of the equation. Now cancelling the 16, 10, 6, that is basic algebra. So I find that my final equation, which I'll call equation 2, can be seen like this. Now now for the particular integral, I'll plug in the value of x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, so that I can eliminate cos and then I can eliminate sine. I'll do this one by one, but I have done it directly. So the value of c and d is 2 upon 25 and minus 1 upon 25 respectively. Finally, when I plug in these values, my yp will be 2 upon 25 cos 4x minus 1 upon 25 sin 4x, and my final equation will be yx is equals to 2 over 25 cos 4x minus 1 over 25 sin 4x and plus a to e to the power 3x plus b e to the power 2x.